Hello everyone. Today we are going to be doing the MIT app inventor. Okay, so this is the MIT app inventor. But before we start with that, we are we will start with the app development chapter. First things first, you have to know some things. What is an app? App or applications are usually created or performing one task. For example, Uber and Ola are apps used to book a taxi, whereas Big Basket app is used to buy groceries. Apps are usually run in the internet, but a few can be run offline as well. Mostly we have apps on our mobile phones. However, some of these are available for laptops and computers as well. When someone talks about apps, mostly refer to mobile applications. So three types of apps: desktop app, okay, web app, and mobile app, which contain native mobile app, web-based app, and hybrid apps. Many apps are available in three types. Okay, so what are the three types? For example, Netflix is available on mobile phones, desktops, as well as on the web. So desktop apps have to be downloaded, have to be run standalone on a user computer. They can be downloaded directly from a website and can be installed on a computer. They may or may not require the internet to run. Desktop apps can be licensed or they can be freely available on the internet. For example, web browsers, Windows Media Player, Photoshop, and MS Office apps. Many games, such as Solitaire, can be installed in a computer. Web apps. These are applications that are run on the internet. They usually saved on the web browser. Users can access them by typing in the URL of the web browser. They're commonly free to use, with a few exceptions. Google Docs, Google Sheets, and Google Slides allow users to view that. Mobile apps, they're software applications designed to be downloaded and run on mobile devices such as a phone and a tablet. Okay, so they can be downloaded in App Store and stuff. Now, we will have three types. Number one is native apps. They are developed on mobile operating system like Android, iOS, and Windows. And the most common, they can be downloaded by Google Play or App Store and installed on a device. Since they are installed on a phone, they can access the photos, address, book, and location of the phone. They may or may not need the internet to run. Example, native apps include WhatsApp, Spotify, and many game apps. Some advantages of native apps are these run at high speed, they provide better UI and UX standard as they are. Now, disadvantage are that platform dependent and expensive to build. Now, web-based app are websites designed to work on any mobile device. They have to be run on a web browser, commonly written in CSS, JavaScript, or HTML5. Google Maps is an example of a web-based app, but it can be run. It is a native app also. It is a web-based app also. So some advantages are these are platform independent. The cost to build these apps are low. These apps can be developed at fast speed. Some disadvantages of web-based apps are their performance is not as good as native apps. These apps need constant internet connection to function. These apps cannot be installed on a phone. Hybrid apps are a mix of web-based and native mobile apps. They are built using multi-platform languages like JavaScript and HTML5. They are partly stored on phone devices, so like that. They are hybrid apps. Have advantages. They are platform independent. They can be developed easily. Cost is lower. These apps are at a slower speed when compared with native app, and they are sometimes partially run offline as well. Now, types of app. There's gaming app. Um, Example of gaming apps is PUBG Mobile, Ludo King, Subway Surfers, EAFC Sports, Chess. These all. Educational app. They are great to help who want to learn out there in the classroom. The Duolingo, Classroom, Google Classroom, and Udemy. The utility apps, they are almost every mobile device and may have been used by all of us. more than we realize. We use these apps for several purposes like just Truecaller, Just Dial, and Google Maps. Then entertainment apps, like they are used to keep watchers entertained, like YouTube Kids, Spotify, and Talking Tom. Travel apps are used to make traveling easier. Okay, so some examples are Air India, Ola, Uber. They help us all. Like some popular travel apps are Make My Trip and IRCTC Rail Connect. The news apps are Time of India, Hindu News, InShort, Info, banking and finance. These can help in checking bank statements also and making money transactions also. Like Google Pay, Bhim Money, making India cashless, money control. The shopping apps are Amazon, DMart, Urban Ladder. They are a subset of e-commerce. Okay. The social networking apps. They are used to connect with friends and family. Apart from communication, these apps are used to build and share content across two networks and visual communities they belong to. Around 2 billion people use social apps. The Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, YouTube, and Quora. App Inventor. There's the MIT App Inventor. It's a block based. So now let's start the MIT App Inventor. So this part you see like this part used from user interface down to the web viewer. That is a palette, and this is a viewer, and these are components as you can see over here, and these are properties. Okay, so palette is where all the elements are used for designing app are kept. Viewer shows the actual look of the app which will be visible on the device. So like this. Now components, there are components, each component has an event and method. Media is there and properties are there. Properties are background kind or media is video audio. See, so we put this checkbox over here. But I want to put it in the trash bin. So I can put it at the trash bin in the bottom right corner. I can just put it. Let me see. Put this in delete. Done. Just click this and click on delete. Okay. Now I don't think there's a trash can one. Bottom right corner. No. I'll have to delete it. Select this. Delete. So now you must have logged into your App Inventor account. Why you have to go to mit.inventor.edu for that. Okay. Um, I will share you the link of the homepage. Okay. MIT App Inventor. Start on a new project. I made a new project over here already. So first, what you're going to be doing, you're going to search a component and search talk the text to speech button. Okay. So text to speech button over here. And then we will take this button, and over here we are going to be writing something. So text say so like let's chat. And you can change this color also. So background color you can put a white, background color I can put black. If I want my text color to be something different, I'll do white. See, so this button. So this button is there. Then you can add different buttons over here. Okay, so over here there's another button. Over here there's another button. Over here there's another button. Okay, so then there are more options over here. Okay, monitor size also we can do. Tablet size also we can do. I'm doing phone size over here. Okay, now let's go to blocks. Click on this button. First we'll go to control and click go to one, click to one, click to one, click to one. Screen, you have to click on button. Then button one, click two. Then you have to click on text to speech. In text to speech one, speak a message inside. Then go to text. And what I'm going to message. Hello. Then this to speak hello. Okay, and now let's add some buttons. Go to designer. Let's write text button 2 and let's write here. Let's write who is put the background color to black, the text color to white. Let's put text button, and let's put here, let's do it dark. Let's do this red, and let's do this to white. No, not white. Okay, custom also we can do. So we'll do the color to custom. So, okay, over here you copy paste this, we write and custom. We'll do custom again. What we are going to be doing is this type color of message jersey. Let's copy this and paste this up, and let's just do again the dark, and let's do okay. So let's chat. Now we'll delete this. Okay. So who's your favorite player? Ronaldo, Messi. So what we are going to be doing, we are in design blocks. This is named button 1, button 2, button 1, button 2, button 3, button 4, button 5. Okay, button 2. Okay. Let's go button 3. 3. And let's go button 3, button 10. Let's see. So like this. These are great. Okay. So let's do butterfly button 5 over here. So over here, now that that is done, let's connect this app Inventor to the device. Over here we'll click on connect AI companion. Okay, so I have downloaded AI companion in my phone. Let's scan this QR code. Okay, so it's loading.
Tsui. Who is your favorite football player? Tsui. Messi. He is a great player.
So this is it. We can write more options as well. So uh, we can change it. We can use a lot of other things. So if I want to click on
Who
it,
is your favorite football player?
it's like this. Okay. Now I've tested the app as well. Now let's do the question answers. Which of the following is the first step to creating an MIT App Inventor? Creating an account on the MIT App Inventor device. App Inventor can be trusted on Android device using AI companion. Which of the following is not true about mobile apps? They can be accessed from desktop as well. What are banking apps used for? Both 1 and 2. Which of the following is a desktop app? MS Office. Which of the following apps are used only to play videos? YouTube. Which of the following is a mobile app? iOS. Which of the following is not a social media app? Ola. Which of the following board games are also available as apps? Both 1 and 2. The speech recognition component is used to enable the speech option. Google Pay is a type of financing app. Two game apps are most popular. Two front end of the app can be done using designer mode. Two desktop apps can be accessed on a website itself. False. Native apps are type of desktop apps. False. So match the following web viewer. Viewing web pages. Dmart shopping app. Hindu news app. Image displays images and basic animations. Candy Crush. Hybrid app. Now Google Classroom Education Text to Speech is a component of MIT Automated Design and Block. BIM is for finance. Text is any text. Okay, so thank you very much. Goodbye.